In this video, I'll show you how to use the Styles feature in Claude AI. This allows you to control the tone and format of Claude's responses. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll click the plus icon on the left side of the message box to open the Tools menu. From the menu that appears, I'll select Use Style. This will open the Styles menu, where I can choose different response styles. Here I'll see several options such as normal, learning, concise, explanatory, and formal. For example, if I want short and direct answers, I can choose concise. If I want a more detailed explanation, I can choose explanatory. And if I want a more professional tone, I can select formal. After choosing the style I want, I'll click back into the message box and type my prompt. Then I'll click the Send button, and Claude will generate a response using the style I selected. If I want to create my own style, I can click Create and Edit Styles, where I can define a custom tone or writing style. And that's it, I've successfully used the Styles feature in Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.